In front of me is OPPO Find and to Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this OPPO. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll down to access Notifications and Status Bar. Then click on Reset next to App Notifications and select the best option for you, in my case Frequency. Finally, scroll down and click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to disable notifications, like Gmail. You can switch them back on by tapping on the same now gray switcher. If you want to, you can always just click on one of your apps over here and tap on this switcher next to allow notifications to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!